Number 53. The graph of the parametric equations x equals 2 plus 3 cosine theta and y equals 1 plus 2 sine theta is an ellipse with vertices a, b and c, b. Find a plus c. Alright, so the way we're going to do this is by using the Pythagorean identity, which says that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. So, I am going to take each of these parametric equations and I'm going to solve them for their trig function. So, x equals 2 plus 3 cosine theta means that cosine theta equals x minus 2 divided by 3. And if y equals 1 plus 2 sine theta, then sine theta must be y minus 1 divided by 2. So then, if this identity is true, which it is, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1, then I can just do this. I know that x minus 2 over 3 squared, or cosine squared, plus y minus 1 over 2 squared, or sine squared, I know that's equal to 1. And this is the equation of an ellipse. So I'm actually going to expand this squared up here. So I'm going to say x minus 2 squared over 9 plus y minus 1 squared over 4, and that equals 1. So if this is true, then the center of our ellipse, we can tell because this is the standard form of an ellipse, the center of our ellipse will be 2, 1, because you just look at it's x minus your x-coordinate and then y minus your y-coordinate. So the x-coordinate would be 2 and the y-coordinate would be 1. And so we're looking for the vertices. So if our ellipse looks something like this, and this right here is 2, 1, then the vertices will be on the major axis. They'll be on the longer axis. So there'll be one right here, and there will be one right here. And the way to find this distance is you can just look at the denominators. So this is in the x direction. If you think about like the x-axis, it's parallel with the x-axis. And so you can look at the number under our x squared term, which is just 9. So we take the square root of this, you get 3. The square root of 9 equals 3. And so we know that each of these distances right here, this is 3, and this is 3. So then what that tells us is the coordinates of our vertices. If you have 2, 1, and you move 3 to the right, you're going to end up with 5, 1. And if you have 2, 1, you move 3 to the left, you're going to have negative 1, 1. So what we can do here is, well, let's look at what they're asking for. They're asking for the sum of the x-coordinates, a plus c. And so that'll be negative 1 plus 5, and that's just 4. Alright, so that's answer choice C. Cool, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment and I'll make a video with the solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I will see you next time.